What's up? This is Brian Pfeiffer, marketingmeathead.com. Today I'm going to walk you through how to do negative keywords on Google AdWords to optimize a campaign. All right, welcome back. So if you like a lot of how-to videos and how to make money online, doing a lot of stuff, cool things on different ad platforms, Facebook, Google, then this is a channel for you. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, bang that notifications bell. And today we're going to go ahead and I was getting ready to optimize a campaign here. I've had running for a couple months. I should have enough data in here to legitimately optimize this campaign. I'm only running on this particular campaign about a $20 a day ad budget. So, it takes a little while to actually get the get enough data to really have any make decisions and be able to opt out here. I got to open this thing up for it to not be grayed out here, it looks like. So I am going to show you guys what it looks like here. So I'm inside the Google Ads Manager, and the one thing we're looking at today is the search terms. Okay, notice here my $20 a day budget, my optimization score is 100, and we're going to look at the search terms. Now, if we scroll down here, notice there's 530 search terms, okay, and it's only showing rows of 10. So I'm going to put this at rows of 100. And I'm going to show you how to do this. Then I'm going to pause the video. Then I'm going to come back and I'll show you a couple things because I got to go through 500 keywords here. It's going to take a minute, and it's pretty much the same thing. So I'll go through the first page, 100 here, and what we're looking at here is the search terms, okay. And the main thing that I need to see in these search terms is it related to my business? Is it a term that has like keyword intent? Okay. For example, in this particular campaign, I'm running for bachelorette parties. Okay. So if someone's searching for a bachelorette party in Vegas, that's probably a high intent keyword. Okay. That's a good one. But you're going to see here as we go, you're going to come across some things that might not necessarily be related to your business. Okay. And in my case, it's bachelorette parties. So right now I'm kind of just scrolling through Vegas Hendo. That's a term used in Europe or maybe even Australia for bachelorette parties. Okay, so that's okay as well. Generally, the Australian and UK customers are actually pretty good, and I do advertise in both those countries. So let's see, affordable things to do. Now this one's a little questionable, things to do. I mean, they are coming for a bachelorette party. We're probably just going to leave that. We've only had 9 impressions. We've paid for 5 clicks, and the cost per average cost per click is 48 cents. So it's not costing me a lot of money. Vegas party hotel packages. That one's definitely not a good one. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and check that. People that are looking for hotels. Okay, I'm not giving them what they're looking for. Okay, they're looking for hotels. And my site is for like bottle service and bachelorette party packages, okay? If they're looking for hotels, they're going to click on my stuff and they're not going to get what they're wanting, and I'm just wasting money basically. So anything with hotel in it, I'm just deleting it. Yeah, they're coming to Vegas for a bachelorette party, but more than likely they're going to come and search again for something actually a little bit more related to what I offer. Okay, right now while they're looking for hotels, I'm not giving them what they're looking for. Okay, my site is not geared toward hotels. I don't, the money, the margins on hotels is slim, and it's just not worth my time. I send my hotel leads to another guy. He works on closing them. I don't have time for them, honestly. There's not enough money in it. It's more headaches than it's worth. Here's another one for hotels. So we just anything with hotels, we're going to get rid of. Okay, that's just not something that makes sense for us. I mean, we're not getting a ton of impressions or searches, but over time, these keywords we're going to add these as a negative keyword. So my stuff will not show up for these, okay, any of these things. So let me go through here I'm almost down here to the bottom of the first 100. And like I said, I got 500 of these to look through, and I'll show you here real quick what we do. Okay, so, all right, bachelor party, these are all pretty good. So then we're just going to go, and the ones that are checked here, there's only a handful. We're going to add these as a negative keyword, and we're going to add these at the campaign level. You can add them at the ad group level depending on what you're doing. But this particular campaign, I got all my bachelorette party stuff in one campaign for this particular business. So we're just going to add them to the campaign, and then I'm going to hit save. All right, and some of these might be too big, but they're not. Okay, now that we've saved them, we're going to go into the negative keywords here, and I like to do this. Okay, I only had 4 here that had to do with hotels. What I like to do here is I like to select all, and instead of being these, this means with the brackets, it's an exact keyword match. I'm going to change the match types to phrase. Okay, so I'm going to change from exact to phrase. Okay, and we're not gonna. You can check this if you want. You could basically create an exact and a phrase match if you want, but phrase match should cover what we need. So I'm just going to change these from exact to phrase, kind of like a bulk upload there. Boom. And notice how they have like quotations now. So now they are phrase match negative keywords for the campaign of Bachelorette Vegas. These will not anytime someone searches for any of these things, my ads will just not show up. Okay, that's how keywords work. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the keywords here now that I'm on page actually search terms here, and I got 4 more pages to go. And then once I get to the end here, I'll turn this back on and we'll finish this video. All right, so here we go. I went ahead and went through all 530 of these search terms now. And I like to go and check each page just to make sure that I didn't miss a page of 100 here. Notice I have a couple excluded on there, and then I just, I go to each page, excluded. As long as I see a few excluded, I know I didn't miss any pages. Here we go. Check this one. Got some excluded there. And then we scored through all the way to the end. Make sure, yep, there's an excluded there. And I'll show you kind of what some of the search terms look like here. So here's the negative keywords that I was able to pull out. And you're going to notice a lot of these have to do with hotels. We're not really a hotel booking, agency. I mean, that's not what we're here for. We do bachelorette party packages, clubs, mail reviews, that kind of stuff. Typically for our bachelorettes, VIP walk-ins, bottle service, all that stuff here. People are looking for a Flamingo Las Vegas club admission. That's definitely not something we're going to do. Forfeit, I'm not even sure what that is. Hello Kitty Bachelorette, High Roller. I mean, a lot of this stuff is just junk. Italian themed Bachelorette. We're not going to be able to help solve these people's problems. So, why run ads to these terms? Hotel packages, suites, pretty much anything that has to do with, Party Bus Las Vegas Bachelorette. I mean, we do party buses, but that's what they're looking for, just that. And there's really not that much margin in the limos and party buses. People looking for pink limos. Annoying because we don't have one, and we have one on our website in a picture, and people think we have one. Private dancers, there's no money in that. Scavenger hunt, we don't do that. Spa days, we rarely close any of those. Restaurants, all this stuff that's basically like either hotel or restaurant, spa. It's just not really what we offer. Okay, I mean we can do the spa stuff, but it's not like our main priority. Okay, so we'll go ahead and exclude all these. Let's just make sure these are all. We're going to change keyword match types here. I like to go to phrase match, from exact match to phrase match. And I'm just going to apply this, and these then all should have quotations now. Takes a second to upload. And then our campaign is much more optimized now, okay? Because we're going to have all these phrases are going to be we're not going to run ads to, okay? And I went and did this with my other 4 campaigns. Now again, I'm only running $20 a day, and at $20 a day, you're at about 600 a month. So 30 days times 20, 600, 600 a month roughly. 20 times 30, yeah, 600 a month. And it takes a minute to actually get enough search terms in here to really optimize a campaign. So you got to let it run for a little while. If you got a higher budget, you're going to get these search terms a little bit quicker. But this is definitely how you can start optimizing your campaigns. And then you'll start to notice some patterns here if you go into like your search keywords, and you'll see like, some of your higher, the ones that are producing the most conversions. You might want to just, make a special ad set just for that keyword with a very highly optimized landing page that's going to get your, your quality score a little bit better. Okay. Right now, I haven't even gone that far. I haven't got into the Bachelorette ones yet. But now that I've optimized the campaign a little bit, I should start getting a little bit better traffic, and I should start seeing some more conversions here, and then I can start optimizing my higher volume keywords that are getting the most conversions even more. I can make like custom landing pages or send those to certain pages on the website that are exactly what those people are looking for, okay? And maybe I'll do like a dynamic product ad with a couple different URLs, and I'll do another video on that later, maybe next week or later this week, and I'll set up dynamic ads so that it can Google can optimize based on the person that they have, searching. Okay, and you give Google some choices nowadays with their AI, they're going to give them the best option and help increase your conversions. Okay, so hopefully you guys enjoyed today. It was a pretty quick video on how to set up, optimize Google AdWords campaigns with negative keywords. If you liked the video, make sure you go ahead and like the video and leave me a comment below if you thought the content was valuable. I'm the Marketing Meathead.